Hello and welcome to DataCAD tutorials. Today we'll be learning how to create hatch in DataCAD. Hatch patterns can add detail as well as visual information to your drawings. In DataCAD, there are two types of hatch, standard and associative. Standard hatch is a group of entities. Associative hatch is a single entity. Both types require you to define polyline boundaries for the hatch pattern. Let's open a demo file. This is the file created with multiple drawings and its shapes. Go into Utility, hit on Hatch. Here you'll find Hatch properties starting from Entity, Group, Area, Fence, Mask, Layer Search. You can manage the hatch. You can set boundaries, the hatch type, hatch pattern, scale of your hatch, angle of your hatch, the origin, preview size, solid fill, and you can even delete the hatch. Going to manage. Here you can set properties of your hatch pattern. You can reload a hatch or load a new hatch. Going to patterns. Here you will find multiple names of different patterns of hatch type. Select one of the types. Go into the scale. Define scale of your pattern, the angle of your pattern, go into boundaries to apply the hatch. Here you'll find two options, rectangle and continuous search. You can even go into edits to edit the hatch. Since it's been a rectangle, let's turn on the rectangle hatch, select the boundaries and hit the drawing. This is how the hatch has been created. You can even use continuous search to apply hatches. Just click inside the pattern. If there's a drawing with multiple points, you can turn off rectangle as well as continuous search and keep selecting the multiple points to apply the hatch. If there's a wrong point selected, you can go to backup and select the correct point. Right click, and this is how the hatch is created. If there's a curve object, keep selecting the points. Now to hatch the curve, select 3-point arc, select another point and the third point. Right click to come out of that command and you can continue selecting the points. If you want to create a void between hatches, go to rectangle, give hatch to the first rectangle, another hatch to second rectangle, go into voids, select the bigger hatch from which the void should be created. Click on Add Void and double click on center of the hatch. This is how the void has been created. If you want to create a void for circular objects, select the rectangle, go into voids, select the bigger hatch, go to create. Turn off the rectangle and create a hatch for the circle. Thus the hatch has been created by using 3-point arc. If you want to give solid patterns, click on Solid Pattern Fills, go to Settings. Here you'll find two options to give hatch: Solid Pattern Fill and Bitmap Fill. Go to Solid Patterns. Here you can select the color of your pattern, hit OK, go to the boundaries and select your area of the drawing. If you want to insert a bitmap in your drawing, you can go to Settings, go to Bitmap Fill, and you can select the pattern required for your drawing. Go to Boundaries and select the drawing. This is how the patterns can be created with bitmaps. We hope that you like this video. Thank you.